Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, October the 2nd. I'm going to walk you through what we have going on for today. We'll get into first 9 weeks, week 6 folders, go into Friday's folder. Friday's folder, your discussion question is a wellness check. So just look at the number, find which emoji that you can relate to most and how you're currently feeling, and just type in that number in the box, hit post, and you are good for today in terms of your warm-up discussion question. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to evaluate a professional. So this video here, Aaron Beverly, An Unbelievable Story, we're going to watch that video. As we watch the video, I want you to open up this assignment. We're going to do this together in class. So if you miss it today, then you're going to have to do this on your own. But you're going to open up, click on this link right here. It says, as we watch the unbelievable story, place an X in each section next to the evaluation of the speaker's life and poise in this presentation. When we talk about life, we're talking about, what kind of emotion and passion is he bringing to his speech, and then his poise, like how's he looking? Does he remain calm and confident, or is he real nervous and sketchy kind of deal? Okay, so what you'll do is we watch it, you'll rate his life, and you'll rate his poise. So you'll place an X into whatever box that you feel that it's appropriate based on your observations of his speech. So if you think about it, the first one says, speaker had a lot of feeling in their voice. We heard emotion, excitement, sadness, etc. They were fun to listen at. Place that one. It'd be like an A, right? So put an X there. Or speaker had some feeling in the voice. There were several parts that really came alive for the listener. That would be like a B level. Put an X here. Only have to put one X, guys. So speaker had one or two places where they seemed to come alive and put feeling into their speech. Put an X here. Like a C. There was no life in the speech. The speaker spoke in a monotone and didn't put any emotion in any part of the speech. That would be like an F, put an X there. You only put one X, which one that you think that he showed you the most. And then you need to rate him. You need to explain why you rated him the way that you did in 2 or more sentences. So make sure, I know that we did this last time. A lot of you guys left this part blank. So like right here in this section. So make sure that you answer that, why you rated him the way you did. And then the same thing for poise. Place an X in which box that you think you felt his poise was. The speaker appeared calm and confident. There was no distracting behavior. The speaker seemed calm and confident. Only 1 or 2 major things were noticed, but they were not distracting to the listeners. The speaker seemed mostly poised. A couple of distracting behaviors bothered the listeners. The speaker seemed wiggly and not poised at all. The speaker had many distracting behaviors. So think about it like as an A, this would be a B, this would be a C, this would be an F. So you pick one box, put an X in there, and then after you rate him, I need you to explain in 2 more sentences why you rated him the way that you did. And then at the very bottom, there's 2 last questions. It says in the space below, explain, that should be Aaron Beverly, sorry. Explain the space below, explain in 2 more sentences what you learned about effective communication from watching and evaluating Aaron's presentation. You can use the sentences that are there or create your own words. This is one thing I learned about effective communication is, and you can use either this sentence sim, I learned this when, or I plan on using this skill when. So you choose which sentence you want to use, or you can just erase that and put your own answer in there. And the second thing is another thing I learned about effective communication is, and then you just either A, use that sentence stem, or B, write your own, okay? And that's what we have going on for today, guys, all right? If you have any questions, reach out to me. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye, guys.